What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you this one video by Mr. Beast. Go to subscribe their channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and this one.
In this video, I'm going to microwave everything you've ever wanted to microwave, like highlighters, or a can of hairspray, a lava lamp, Elmo, fireworks. Literally everything you've ever wanted to microwave will be microwaved. We started off with some light bulbs.
What would you do in like 7 minutes?
So we threw a firework in the microwave.
Or I could see something grow. Ooh!
Microwave, more fireworks. And then we threw in a bigger firework.
They burned a hole into the other microwave. Oh God.
Wow!
Well, no, dude, they burned a hole into the other microwave. We don't know how to work the fire extinguisher. Oh God, wait, is it really not working? Don't play with me. Oh God. All right.
What to do this time? That grenade? Oh, I think it was fire. What'd they put? What? Oh my God.
I was right beside it! Next up, we are microwaving Drake's new album. Dang, it's fire.
Look,
Hey, it's fire. Drake's album's so fire, man. Man, My Little Pony wants some Drake album.
wait. Look, Michael Jackson's about to do a feature on it.
Man, I wonder what's inside this microwave. Really? Come on. I wanted a scar. What is this garbage?
Looks like it. It's doing
Candle. No, wait, no, that's a.
Don't breathe that.
Alright,
I thought it was a candle.
yeah, just throw them all in.
Hey now, I'm trying to ventilate the area.
Dang.
It's all over. Oh man.
What? Wait, what does that look like? Hello. What?
Dude, it looks like 6ix9ine's hair. We made 6ix9ine, dude.
Alright, Jake Paulers. Up next, we're doing some hairspray. This is a really bad idea. We're probably gonna die. Duct tape it shut so it doesn't like blow off.
Did you say alright, Jake Paul? Yeah, he probably did.
There's sparks going on. Oh! It's on fire! Yeah.
Oh God, it's on fire. This is a terrible idea.
Wow, I feel bad for the microwave.
Alright, we're good.
What did it ever do to you? What? Wow, should have never said
We're gonna
that.
see which catches fire first. Baked beans or baby? I got my money on the baby.
Well, this is our secret family recipe.
Comment down below which you think will catch fire.
Your mom?
Oh shit, that was fast. Oh shit. Wait, did the baked beans win?
They're sparking, but they're not on fire, technically.
5 years later.
Oh God.
Our baby's black now.
This is a thing of popcorn.
Racist.
1, 2, 3, 10, 15 minutes. Boom. I'm curious what happens. Will the microwave just expand and slowly consume the entire world?
After 10 minutes, nothing
So
happened.
next we're doing champagne, and I'm not 21, Jake. Can you touch it for me? I got it. Chill. Oh, we forgot to take the popcorn out. All right, we're good. Thank you, Jake, for touching the alcohol for me.
You're ready. Don't ask questions.
Oh.
Elmo's ticklish, so we're gonna tickle him with fire. Take this.
Alright, Elmo.
If that Elmo toy was haunted, and then they came back to that, he would haunt their
Now.
ass. Whoa.
Wait, let him destroy the microwave. We don't have that many left.
Get out!
Here, I'll use water. It's not working.
Wow.
Hey, the microwave still works.
Put it out before it dies.
Oh, it just cut off.
That was one of our last microwaves.
Wait, I know what'll fix it.
Next, we're gonna microwave a non-microwavable safe plate.
Level land.
Oh, I know what's gonna happen.
We'll have to let that just chill there for a second.
Alright. Is the human wood still not doing anything? Yeah, the other's not doing anything at all, so now we're microwaving moisturizer. Microwave it.
I just sprayed nut butter all over my wall.
Next, we're gonna microwave a My Little Pony, and honestly, guys, you won't believe what will happen. So this microwave doesn't work.
What does it?
Wait a minute, that's a headshot. How did it only do 9 damage?
Relatable Fortnite, babies.
Haha!
So we have a grenade right here. We're not quite sure if this grenade works, so I'm gonna hand this to you, Jake. So we couldn't get an extension cord to run out here, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pull the pin of the grenade we bought online. We're gonna put it in the microwave, hopefully it works. And then if the grenade doesn't explode, we have more explosives down there and we'll just blow it up ourselves. So, Jake, you sure you wanna do this?
Yep,
For the views? Okay, you ready? Run as fast as you can. Just close the door and run. I'm actually gonna get further away.
Alright, go ahead. Go ahead.
It didn't blow up. You pulled the, are you 100% sure you pulled the
I
pin?
pulled the pin in, threw it in,
Are you sure?
100%.
The grenade didn't work. We kind of figured it might not work, so that's why we put explosives. So we're just gonna blow up the microwave ourselves then.
That felt weird. Don't worry, guys, I got it. Ah, it's attacking back.
Alright, microwave. It's time for you to be done. Oh, okay. I see how it. Take this. Wanna play like that? Screw you. No! Stop. Bad. Hey.
Gummy bears.
Oh my
God. It's a brownie. That's what Chris said. I'm gonna steal his joke.
Whoa.
Dude, it's not working. It's not working!
It's fine.
No.
We have technology.
Oh, you're right. Darn, I thought that would work. Our technology sucks.
What if he blew the trigger?
Yay that. Wait a minute. Dinosaurs already went extinct. To wrap up this video, I want to show you this cool science experiment I was doing. Basically, I microwaved a megaphone while yelling at it with a megaphone to try to open a black hole.
We're past all the competition, man. PewDiePie is next. Got the brand new Rolex and the something Lambo too. This is Keith 10, bitch. Who the hell the fuck are you?
And shocker, it didn't work, so I took revenge on the microwave by throwing it at a car.
So that's the end of the video. Peace out.